Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, October 18th. We're looking at Window Traders market profile of the ES and SPY, and the bulls are finally going to succeed at doing what I thought they were going to try to do yesterday, which would be to put the daily up and the weekly firmly into balance. But it looks like they're going to attempt to do it in some grand style here on a gap right now that's very large. We've been talking about emotional trading and these short-term retail traders and algorithmic trading. And boy, oh boy, have they ruled this market up and down all over the place. Right now, we're talking a gap of pretty big magnitude here, my friends. Pretty big magnitude, 368. We're talking a gap of almost $6 again to the upside, filling the downside gap we had. We always talk about these wide POCs. We were 12 wide yesterday. It was going to be an upside destination. It's now a downside destination, and it's $6.50 lower from where we're trading. Triple Qs also, look at this. Huge gap to the upside, as again, they're going to be going up on the daily, balance on the weekly. Russell, same thing, exploding. Again, look at them. They're trying to get above that 173.39 level that we talk about, that they've been battling it forever, since 2018. Well, once again, they're trying to get above it. This is not a gap I will chase at all. Right now, the overnight high in SPY is 374.35. The overnight low is 366.60. We pretty much have a price vacuum to the upside, though, even where we're trading. We have a 10-wide POC all the way up at 375.39. An afternoon rally high above that, and then a daily high and a monthly high. That monthly high of 379.46 was our next lower high, which I said I didn't believe would hold. Well, we're going to see now if we do go and get that at some point. Game plan for this morning. I need a pullback. Okay? Plain and simple. I need a pullback, or I need to wait until B period starts, see if we go trend or have a lowest accepted price. If we get enough of a pullback, I'll look for a long. Again, this a $6 gap, no way will I be gapping and going. There's not even a visual place to take a short against that. There really isn't. The gap gets filled at 372.68 in SPY, so right now we're $1 above that. But the next destination, like I said, isn't until 375.39, besides whatever the overnight high is going to be. So there is no way I would be placing a trade unless something changes in the next 75 minutes right on the opening. Again, you're going to have all day to trade. You're going to have a good range. Hopefully the volume will be decent. So there's no reason for a coin flip, as the overnight is obviously going to be all long once again. Come and join this room for $30 a month, and we'll lead you through this as the market is forming. And then on the chart, again, thank you for all your likes and subscribing to this channel. So here's the weekly, right? We're taking out last week's high. They're already showing it on this. Well, you know what? They're showing that bad low again of 357.28. So we're gonna have to fix that. Yesterday's low again was 363.97. So I'm gonna have to fix that. Problem is, it's a weekly chart. I'll wait until the end of the week to fix it. But we're back into balance now. Do you want to call it a 4-week balance or a 5-week balance? Again, it's an art, not a science. For now, I'll start with a 4-week balance. If by the end of this week we take out that 379.46 high by the end of this week, I'll probably call it a 5-week balance. And then the daily, tremendous gap higher, blowing through the 20, filling this gap. So here's your lower highs here on August 16th. Here's the other one on September 12th. I didn't think this one was going to hold, but then we had this one, and we even had this one from yesterday. Well, we're blown above this one. I still think we'll possibly get above that 379.46. So if that's the case, then this all becomes very crucial here. Once this trend line, once we start getting to it, and this high. If we ever really breach this trend line and get above 411.73, again, I'm getting way ahead of myself. But if that ever was to occur on this next move up, the lows for the year would probably be in. So if sellers have any hopes of making new lows, I don't. They shouldn't. This is just short covering, so it's not a big deal. We pop above the 20, between the 20 and the 50, right? No big deal if you get some legs and take out these highs. However, any acceptance above this trend line at some point and above the 411 high, and the lows for the year would probably be in. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.